Relax.
We're going to be here for 10 days eating bugs.
Hi guys, we are en route to
Wilson's prom. We're going for the weekend with a few of Duff's mates. And we're going to be doing lots of hiking and
walking,
and lots of steps.
which Henry loves.
We're going to have fun.
Yeah, it's gonna get fun.
What you got?
Not even like 10 minutes into our trip. I got the tropical fried chicken. It's like all cats.
Got the spicy chicken burger.
Oh, that looks bomb. And I got onion rings.
I'm going to rate it? Okay.
Okay, go.
Mine's so saucy though.
Let me squeeze.
It's like an 8 out of 10.
What could be better?
No, it's really good. It's just like messy. Really messy. But it tastes good.
I don't really like bacon in my burger.
Stop. Out of 10?
7.5.
Pretty good.
Okay.
Right back. So back.
Oh,
Visit that later. And their room has a toilet inside.
wait, how?
Saying like, if you wanted to peek, you could like peek through there. That's the toilet there.
Wait, how do you go in there?
Like it's just a window that you can. But then
Say hi.
hello friends. This is Daphne. I drew Mimi on the sand. Went to the sand thing. I'm like wrecked.
Her cat.
It like
Here.
here. Over here.
I like cozy. This over here.
Wait, I've got it on my
This is pretty cool.
projector.
Dude, we need this.
That's it. I set it up.
Wait, what?
Isn't that a woman?
Relax.
I like literally like had to like sanitize.
For tea,
You do it
as it is
yourself?
for coffee. I know like people do that for like for coffee.
It smells so good.
I love tea. I love jasmine tea. This is great.
If we're gonna go through this, I'll go through this. This is like a new experience.
Good.
I'm gonna be peeing.
What a beautiful morning.
I don't think we can. It's someone else's property. Oh, there's so many flies. Gross. This is why you need to wear long sleeves. Shortcut.
We can literally.
I'm literally just going to walk down or roll down the hill.
Yeah, I'll watch you roll down. Don't worry. I'll
I'll
film
give you a
you.
push.
This is where we get lost.
So where do we come from?
We're going to be here for 10 days eating bugs.
Yeah, we made it. What?
delicious because they
Some
made it
instead.
themselves.
Yeah, but they were like melted. Never had a burrito that tasted melted in my life. Before.
We're walking up Mount what?
Oberon.
LeBron. It's a 3.9 kilometer walk. It's not a hike. Look, it's just like it's a gravel trail. It's just a walk. And it's gonna take us about an hour. We should get there just before sunset. You're really in your element.
I am. Namcourt.
If you can hear us, we've got no mic connected, but we're at the top of Mount Oberon. It's beautiful.
Wait, you don't have to edit.
So down there, caravan camping area. This place is beautiful. It's a very tough hike. I like it.
When that machine popped up, put a swirl on my cone. I used to rap like I had some marbles in my mouth, but the stones turned fresh when they all came out. On the street, the deep thought that could never be bought. Body rock, don't stop, bebop, the hip hop. Cold as ice, so I stand out there, floor to the floor. What was left? A shoestring budget on call. Then these new styles came along. Took on to the next, so some other hit their own trend. Colors faded on their brush, and the folks dated. Make you feel all the jaded. What's to make it and we made it, but we didn't know how to keep it like nice kicks.
It was so beautiful.
Welcome to. Hi, William. Welcome to Angdo's. Welcome to Angdo's Vietnamese
Are we
bakery.
actually at Ando's Bakery?
Yeah, that's what it's called. It's called Angdo's Bakery. Hi guys. Cafe Sera.
I have to say it like that.
Wait, you haven't had coffee yet?
Oh,
Is that right? Let me tell you. Oh, that's good. Cafe Sera. 8 out of 10.
who's honking 8 out of 10?
I'll give it an 8 as well. Just tastes like a pie. It's nothing special. Just it's not no country club.
Tastes like steak though.